You know Brewer Science as a founding member of NextFlex, as an innovator in advanced lithography, wafer-level packaging, smart devices, and now, as we celebrate a milestone this year, 40 years of innovation, Brewer Science has expanded its customized print electronics and foundry print services capabilities, operating essentially as a high-tech innovation lab and manufacturing center. Brewer Science enables the cutting-edge lithography that drives silicon device performance, enables the thinning and full back-end processing of silicon wafers and other thin flexible substrates, and develops flexible printed carbon electronic devices and sensor technology. Brewer Science has a long-standing tradition of partnering with world-renowned institutes, government agencies, industry consortia, and commercial partners to benefit our customers as they seek to adopt cutting-edge technology and ultimately scale it to volume. Brewer Science is proud to be a U.S. manufacturer across all of our major business units, with sales support and analytical labs located worldwide in close proximity to the customers we serve. A major expansion of our foundry facilities is underway now as we continue to fulfill the growing needs and demands of our customers. The expanded facility will house a robust concentration of the latest tools and equipment needed, as well as an expanded staff of print services engineers possessing the process know-how required to create prototypes and then advance them to scalable, manufacturable solutions for our customers. World-class solutions require world-class expertise and equipment. Brewer Science brings decades of material science expertise in combination with process know-how to solve these complex tasks required to scale. The spectrum of developing, prototyping, customizing, and ultimately optimizing a print electronics solution into products is complex. This often spans beyond the capabilities of companies needing the final product version. Brewer Science applies decades of material, process, and innovation protocols to not only simplify the progression to volume, but to expedite it as well. We take a customer's prototype design, material sets, process protocols, and reproduce it through evaluation prototypes. We then optimize them further based on customer feedback and working arm in arm with our teams of engineers, such that they represent a scalable pathway for development and production. This results in customer prototypes advancing from concept to design lock to design in faster than they could do it themselves, and faster than their competitors too. This allows our customers to focus on their current business, while Brewer Science innovates to prepare them with cutting-edge, customized, printed electronics to enable them to grow their future business. Investment in state-of-the-art equipment as well as staff is significant and represents state-of-the-art facilities specializing in manufacturing, quality control, life cycle testing, and supply chain considerations required to establish a long-term, volume, customer-supplier relationship. This approach distinguishes us in a fast-paced and ever-evolving industry and allows us to build customized customer solutions based on a solid material science foundation. From there, we build further to apply the required process know-how to generate the functionality required, then move to the final stage of prototype to scalable conversion to volume and manufacturability.